Hi, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we are going to do 5 poses to control migraine. Let's start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. First, mindfulness pose. Hold here, center of your forehead. Try to put some pressure here. That helps to stimulate your nervous system. Swipe it gently. Wow, very relaxing. Mindfulness pose, let's do it again. Every asana we have to perform for 3 times for better result. Hold center of your forehead, make a fist properly with index finger and middle finger. Swipe it gently. Acupoint pose. Move your finger very slowly. Relax your mind. We'll do it one more time. Thumb, side of your temple, index finger, center of your forehead. Try to put pressure. Rubbing pose. Reverse. This is very simple, beautiful massage with your fingertip. So let's do it without oil. Rotate anti-clockwise, rotate anti-clockwise. Swipe pose. V forehead pose. Prawn as possible, as much as possible. Stretch with index finger and middle finger. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Hold for 10 seconds. So these are the best 5 asanas to control migraine. If you like it, do share and subscribe. Thank you.